Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this online session on the topic Mastering Patent Searching Techniques and Tools for Effective Research. Today, we have here with us Advocate Gautam Matani, Deputy Manager Legal at MKU Limited. We welcome you, sir, and are honored that you took out time from your busy schedule for this session. We also welcome the attendees joining us live on YouTube. It is informed to all the attendees that they may leave their queries in the chat box, which will be taken up in the Q&A segment at the very end of this session. Once again, I welcome all who have joined us for this session, and I will hand it over to you now, sir.
Thank you, Shabni, so much. So, a very good evening to every one of you. And let us start with the session. As we all know, the session is upon patents. So, Shabni, is it possible that they would be able to speak, or that they would be just be able to talk, converse through messages?
Sir, they'll be able to converse through messages only, mostly.
Okay. So let's start with patents. What is patents? Patents are something which is granted in case any person has anything which is unique. So we have a patent convention treaty, we have a patent act in India, and the act is same all over the world. Am I audible? So let me just present
So
it in my
let me
Yes.
just
screen.
present it.
Is it possible to present in the screen, Shavni?
Yes, so you can present your screen.
Okay. A sec. So I hope my screen is visible. So this is how a patent portal looks like. This is how we do a patent search. So patents are something which are granted when you have something unique, novel, and industrial application. Anything which has novelty, which is unique, and which has not been in existence before is how a patent is to be granted. So there are two types of patents. There are utility patents and design patents. So as you can see the patent search portal, you have different types of fields, which is you can enter the title if you want to. First, you have to select whether you want a published patent or a granted patent, or you want both to be searched. So then comes the field of entering the title. If you know the title of the patent, then any abstract which you know, enter complete specifications, enter application number. Complete specifications. When you file a patent, there are two types of applications which we need to put in. One is the provisional application and one is the complete application. So if you have put in a provisional application, so within 12 months you have to file in a complete specification application. And in case you haven't filed a provisional and you directly want to file a complete specification, so you can directly file a complete specification also. Enter the application number. You are provided a unique application number for tracking. Enter patent number. In case your patent is granted, then you are granted a patent number. When your application is pending, it is an application number. You can enter the name of the applicant. You can enter the patent number again. You can enter the inventor name, inventor country, inventor address if you are knowing any office. Then is the international patent classification number. In case you have filed a patent in India or any other country and you want to file it to many other countries, so the best way or the simple way is to do it through international filing. So you get a unique PCT number which is called the PCT application number. Then there is a PCT publication number. So in case you want to search any patent, you just need to type in, let's say, for example, if you need to search helmets, so we can just type in helmets. And we can search over here. So there is some error with the website, I think. Let's try again. There is still some error with the website, I think. So, okay, the patent website is not working properly as of now. So, this is how you need to do a patent search. So, there's patent e-register also. In the patent e-register, you can directly enter the patent number and the code, and you can show the e-registry. If you want to track your application status, you can enter the application number and you will get it. Any other requirements, you can search on the basic portals. The second portal would be WIPO, which is the World Intellectual Property Organization portal. You can see it from this portal that if you need to understand or search patents, WIPO. This is the portal which is used for online searching for international patents anywhere in the world, even worldwide. So you have the same values: WIPO application number, publication date, title, any classifications you want, single family, NPL, front page, if you remember anything about the combinations and everything. So this is the international portal. How does it works? So coming back to the basics, what is a patent and how can we file for patents? So a patent is a type of an intellectual property which gives right to the inventor to exclude others from using, making, marketing, industrial application, selling the particular product which you have invented or which the particular person has invented. So in many of the countries, the patent law is same because there's a treaty which has been signed under the World Trade Organization TRIPS agreement that patent should be available to each and every person, and patent should be same in each country which has signed that particular treaty. So let's start with that in the ancient times, also in the ancient Greece, there were patents. In the kingdom of Jerusalem also there were some kinds of patents which were there. At that time there was no such law, but due to new inventions they put this law into effect, and after being into effect this has become something which is being used on a daily basis, and now in countries like India it has become a very good thing because patents laws are civil lawsuits which have higher civil penalties in comparison with the other normal civil laws which are there. So in India we have an act called Indian Patent Act 1970, and then we have the Patent Convention Treaty. Patent Convention Treaty is a treaty which has been signed by more than 150 countries, which provides particular protection for patents. In India, we have a whole law, the Act of 1970, which defines each and everything. So, just an overview of the Act. what are inventions which are to be patented. For any invention to be patented, there needs to be three basic things: novelty, industrial application. So when the patent is to be filed, you have to fill an invention disclosure form. After you have filled an invention disclosure form, so when we have filled an invention disclosure form, we need to provide in all the details that how the invention is disclosed, how things are working, what all invention we have done, and then there is a prior art search report. The prior art search report is basically on the topics that there has to be a search report which is to be provided. The search report mainly considers that okay, such invention exists before or not, and if any such doesn't exist, so there is no need for doing a search on the matter that such patent exists beforehand or not, such invention has been done by some other person or not. So as you all can see, this is the Patent Convention Treaty, which has been signed by more than 150 countries. So the patent laws remains the same in all the countries. This is the sections for the patents. This is the whole Patent Act. This is the International Search Portal, and before that, we were visiting the. This is the PCT, Patent Convention Treaty, the International Patent System. So let me show you the another portal, which is for design patents. Design patents is only for patents which have a unique design. There is no novelty. Novelty is something which is unique in the market. So this is how a design patent is searched. So you need to enter any of the designs. Please enter any text. So let's say enter helmet again. One field is filled in. Application number, date of filing, same. Application name, application state, application country, name of article, IDC class, priority date, priority country, priority number, journal number, publication date. So application number is when you have filed in something. Date of filing is the any date of filing. So let's take it for see which is filed on 2nd of Feb. Let's see if we can find any application. No, there has been no file on 2nd of February. So there's applicant name. If you know some name, applicant country is there. Name of article. Let's say name of article is helmets. If we can get something on that. So these are the unique designs which are already patented, which you can make out of. There are 11 designs which are unique. So this is the design application. तो उसमें बोलूँ क्या? So, patent is essentially a legal right granted to an inventor, giving them exclusive rights to make, use, sell, or distribute their invention or idea for a limited period of time. The idea behind a patent is very normal, that it protects the IP of the innovators. In India, we have an act, as we told. Why a patent is filed? It is innovation for the future. It encourages creativity. It encourages career growth. It provides legal protection for a period of 20 years. It contributes to the global economy. As per Indian context, in India, we have seen rapid growth in the sectors like technology, pharmaceuticals, and renewable energy. And as young professionals of law students, I think you should know that how India has been thriving on the intellectual property awareness with the Indian Patent Office continuously improving its processes. The government has also launched new initiatives such as Startup India, MSMEs. They have been helping the innovators, entrepreneurs, and startups to navigate the patent process with ease. Few key points for patents you need to keep in mind is the novelty. The invention should be new and not have been disclosed publicly. Inventive step, it must innovate an inventive step, meaning it cannot be an obvious solution to someone skilled in the field. Industrial applicability, the invention must be capable of being used in industry. Patents are powerful, but they also come with responsibility. You need to ensure that your idea is genuine, unique, practical, and applicable. So stay curious, think big, and understand the importance of protecting your intellectual contributions. uh, Last, I would say in closing that I encourage each one of you to be open for most possible innovations, and it can come across as an idea or a solution that you can believe and have a novel and could change the game. And don't uh, hesitate to explore the world of IPR. If anyone has any doubts on anything, you can just ask me right now. I would be stopping my screen sharing now. So this is the patent search which we talk about in short or in detail, I would say. Shabni, any questions, anything?
There are no questions yet in the chat box.
Okay. So anything else which I need to take up?
Sir, there's a question that how can we apply for patent in WIPO?
See, for patents, for trademarks, anything you need to have a unique agent code. For patents, there is a exam which you need to clear, and then only you can apply patents anywhere in India or whether abroad. Before that, you cannot apply it. There's a patent exam which happens every year, and you can sit for that. And it has to be a person has to be from a law background and has to be from a technical background. He must have science in his 11th and 12th. Anyone, anything else?
Yes, sir, there's one more question that how can we integrated patent data analysis in research?
As in,
How can we integrate patent data analysis in research?
Okay, which kind of patent data? There has to be a particular patent for which you need to do research, right? There cannot be n number of patents, so you can do keep on doing research upon them.
Okay, so there's one more question that can convention applications under PCT also be viewed under WIPO?
No, they cannot be viewed.
If there are any more questions from the attendees, they can add in, or if they have any follow-up questions.
Okay, so I think there are no more questions. So I'd like to conclude that thank you so much, sir, for this insightful session. Your expertise has undoubtedly expanded our understanding of this topic. A big thank you also to all those who joined for this session. We hope that you found this session informative and helpful. Thank you once again.